like it. I actually like it. Okay. Hello. So I just got my custom topper. Let's unbox it together. Hello. I'm nervous, Lord. Okay. Now time for share creative insight into the cake. So I'm going to input 2, maybe 3 images now. And these are the cake inspos that I have for these are the inspirations that I have for the design. However, I couldn't find a crown to put on it, so I decided that I'm gonna make one. Yeah. You're making me nervous. Oh my god. So I bought a pack of butterflies, and I have no idea. I had no idea when I just bought it. I saw it. I was like, pink, because pink is like the theme I want to go with. I saw it. I was like, okay, pink. Let's get the butterflies. But I was like, I have no idea I want to incorporate it, because I want like a very clean and minimalist look. Clean crumb coat, crown, sprinkles, topper. That's it, right? So I got home and I was like, I don't have a crown. How am I going to approach this? And I was like, something told me, why not just make a crown with the butterflies? I know it's crazy. Hopefully it works out. I'm gonna take you through the process too. Okay, sorry. Now time for the review. Oh my god, I'm nervous. Shiver. Okay. So I ordered this. Okay, this is the line, and they sent me quite a bit. Am I supposed to like gum them together like this? Is that why they sent me extra? Honestly, I just needed one. So if I were to like this, I think it's actually fine. I don't need to attach. These ones too are also cool. Thank you for the extras. Now for the main event. Let's just rip it off like a band-aid. So this is the, oh wow, it's quite small. Ooh, it's broken into pieces. I don't mind that. Oh, there's a letter too. Patrocraft, thank you for your patronage. Please note that all crafts are made with cardstocks. Kindly keep away from moisture and do not refrigerate. Keep dry at all times. Keep in package if not used. Okay, so here we go. This is what I ordered. Should I have put that? Should I have made it things? Are you making me nervous? Okay. So I don't necessarily shoe. What's that? First birthday. Oh, as a mommy. I like it. I actually like it. Okay. Like, I don't know if this is going to fit like okay. Well, now you got me thinking. This is why I wanted to wait a bit too. I got the topper before baking the cake. I don't know how I'm gonna place them, but it's pretty. I like it. That's the end of the review. Thank you. How am I gonna make this work? Oh, now I'm nervous. Okay, that's the end of the review. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for the final look of the cake and how I sort this out. Hopefully I'm able to successfully sort it out. Lord, I'm nervous. Okay, bye.